Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog, your everyday guide to learning Tagalog with ease. Today's phrase is, Ikaw rin or Kayo rin. This means, same to you. Let's look at the words. Ikaw means you. Kayo is the polite or plural form of you. Rin means also or to. So when someone says take care or good luck, you can reply with Ikaw rin or Kayo rin. This is how we use it in a conversation. Ingat ka. Ikaw rin. Ingat ka, anak. Kayo rin po. Let's say it together. Repeat after me. Ikaw rin. Ikaw rin. Now try the polite version. Kayo rin. Kayo rin. Very good. Now, imagine someone tells you, Ingat. Go ahead and reply, Ikaw rin. Nice work! This short phrase goes a long way in conversations. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying this series. See you in the next video for more easy Tagalog.